Hey everyone, I'm Chris with EBT Tax and Credit Repair, where we make filing easy, fast, and affordable. In this video, I'm going to walk you through our complete 10-step tax return process from the moment you send your documents to the moment your refund hits your account. And if you stay to the end, I'll show you how we can use your refund to boost your credit score as well. Let's get started. All right, first, we start by confirming how you file, whether it's single, married, or head of household. Then we'll confirm whether you're a W-2 employee or self-employed or both. Next, we'll ask a few simple questions like, do you have any dependents? Did you move to another state? Do you qualify for special credits like EIC, Earned Income Tax Credit, or the Child Tax Credit? You might be referred to as CTC. These steps help us make sure every legal deduction and credit is on your side, leaving nothing left on the table. Next, you'll gather your documents, and I'm going to tell you what you'll need. A government ID, driver's license, passport, whatever, right? Your social security card, it's just social security numbers for you and your dependents, spouse. Next, you're going to gather your W-2s, your 1099s. That could be your 1099 NEC, your 1099K, your unemployment 1099G, or any income forms. We'll let you know what forms you might need and how you can obtain them, or copies if you lose them. Deduction items like child care receipts, 1098T education forms, student loan interest, property taxes, or charitable donations. Now, for you self-employed clients out there, we'll verify your income, your expense logs, your mileage, any supplies you might have used. And don't worry about if you self-employed, we use screenshots as well. You know what I'm saying? As long as it's legible, it's eligible. So don't worry about it, we got you. You can upload everything online or you can drop it off in person. Now, once we receive your documents, we create your digital tax file. Every client gets a private, secure folder. No mix-ups, no missing papers. We label and organize everything. Double check for accuracy and prepare your checklist. From there, we'll schedule a quick interview at your earliest convenience, just so we can dig a little deeper in case we have any other questions. Now, comes the fun part. We'll go over your income, family size, your lifestyle, to find every possible credit and deduction. Things like child tax credit, education credit, home energy savings, retirement savers credits, etc. For small business owners or side hustlers, we look for deductions like your home office, car mileage, phone bills, subscriptions, tools, anything you might use to utilize your business. We don't just type in numbers. We maximize your results legally. After we have everything, our team builds your tax return. Using a professional software, we input each form, reconcile totals, and compare standard versus itemized deductions to see which gives you the best results. We double check income versus withholdings and make sure all credit apply correctly. This is where the math magic happens. your income, deductions, and credits come together to show your refund. Now, before you ever sign or approve anything, we got to run a 2-layer review. One is going to be a compliance check. Now we just making sure your name is spelled correctly, your social security numbers is all entered correctly, no missing numbers, everything correct. Anything that matches what the IRS has on their records. The second thing that we do is I'm checking for a math check. Just making sure there's no e-file errors that will bounce your return. This step right here prevents any delays, rejections, or refund holds later on. Once it's ready, we sit down, or I can screen share if you're virtual, and I'll walk you through every line. Income, adjustments, deductions, credits, tax refund, or balance due. I explain everything in plain language. No tax talk code, you know what I'm saying? Nothing like that, just plain language. Our goal is to leave you more educated than when you walked in. You'll know where your refund numbers come from and what changed from the prior year. And we don't e-file until you say yes. After approval, we e-file your federal and state returns electronically. Now, disclaimer, for prior years or like an amended return, will have to be mailed. As you know, the IRS have different addresses for certain different types of returns. Every year go to a different spot in certain areas. So that might have to be with an actual signature and actual mail it in. For prior years, within 24 to 48 hours, could be quicker than that, but you'll get a IRS e-file acknowledgement, proof that your return was accepted. And then we'll also send you a full PDF copy that you can keep for your records. And we stay available for any follow-up questions. Next, we help you track your refund step by step. We'll show you how to use the IRS Where's My Refund tool if you don't know how to use it already. And what each status step means. I might do a video about that later on, tell you what every step, means. If the IRS or state needs extra verification, then we'll guide you through that process and respond quickly. After you're done, we don't just disappear. If you owe, by the slight chance you might owe, then we can help set up payment plans with the IRS or estimated payments for your next year. Now, if you're getting a refund, we help you with a credit boosting plan, like using part of that refund to pay off anything on your credit report. Collections, lower credit utilization, remove errors from your report. There's a process for that, and we can help you. That's where our credit repair program comes in. Now, at EBT, we believe tax season should be simple, stress-free, and beneficial for your future credit. We combine tax preparation, credit repair, and budgeting into one affordable service. You get transparency, accuracy, and year-round support, not just a seasonal office. So don't wait. Bundle your taxes and credit repair for the best results. Messages or email at easybudgetteam@gmail.com to get started today. You can also follow us on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, and a new fan base app at Easy Budget Team. So I'm Chris. Thanks for listening. And remember, smart money, smart move, easy budget.